You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this irregular verb correctly. If you want to learn more irregular verbs pronounced, learn them all. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned to the channel. To dig, the past tense or the participle are the same as dug. Dig, dug, dug. As in, let's take examples of sentences. I dig a hole in the ground. Today, I dig. Yesterday, I dug a hole in the ground. Past tense. Yesterday, a hole was dug in the ground. Participle, past participle. Dig, dug, dug. English pronunciation, how to pronounce irregular verb to dig, dug, dug. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.